Hello friends, this is Adil. In today's video, I'm talking about the pros and cons of TaoTronics SoundSurge 90 hybrid headphones. In just 199 Saudi Riyal, you get active noise cancelling wireless headphones which give 35-hour playback time, nice build quality. So let's go and explore. This is the Amazon website. Also, you can find the Amazon website link down below in the video description. If you find it suitable for your choice, you can place an order and it's available in 199 Saudi Riyal. I always love to use headphones for video editing, music and for gaming. I believe it's hard to find good headphones, but in the past couple of weeks I have done couple of unboxing headphones and earbuds, so you can find the link down below in the video description. SoundSurge 90 is really good in audio quality and the price is less than 200 Riyal. I know it sounds unbelievable, but once you hear the sound you will love them. They have superior comfort soft headband pad with adjustable headband, which is amazing. They feel very solid and comfortable, but the earbuds are superb and very soft as well. Also, they can work only with one Bluetooth device at a time, which is not a very friendly feature to me. Also, if it's connected to any device, you need to disconnect from that device. Otherwise, you can't find the headphones, which is not great feature for me. Its crisp stereo sound and powerful deep bass is suitable for club music, but its voice quality is not as precious as I expected. You get 2 hours of playback with only 5 minutes charging, and the whole battery is charged in only 45 minutes, which is awesome. It comes with a beautiful carrying box and a couple of accessories as well. If you're interested what's inside the box, check the card link and the video link in the description. The active noise cancelling is particularly interesting, and in my opinion, ANC performance is great, almost as good as ANC working on high-end headphones, which is remarkable. With ANC on, playback time is up to 30 hours and up to 35 hours without ANC. These headphones will amaze you with the build quality for its price range. Its plastic is not premium when you compare with high-end headphones. Overall, it doesn't feel cheap and I love its foldable design. About controls, I like that part the most. Buttons, power button, volume up and down button, and separate ANC switch button with light indication, and also USB charging pin. Let's talk about its technical specs. 40mm dynamic driver, Bluetooth 5.0. It gives 35-hour play time, USB micro fast charging and fully charged in 45 minutes. Hybrid active noise cancelling with soft earbuds are perfect for enjoying music anywhere. Its battery life is great, also the sound quality is good. TaoTronics hybrid active noise cancelling headphones enable you to stay focused on your favorite tunes when you turn on the ANC switch. I like the Bluetooth function. When you disconnect from the phone, it immediately informs you and goes into a pairing mode, and after some time you can connect the device easily, which is appreciated. You can easily use these ANC headphones for a couple of hours, especially while video making and audio mixing. Also, you can keep using headphones for longer period. Also, you can enjoy a SoundSurge 90 while gaming. They are so comfortable and wonderful for games like Tomb Raider, and I love the studio sound which gives a lot of fun while gaming. TaoTronics SoundSurge 90 are great in design, and they are the best choice for wireless Bluetooth headphones with active noise cancelling, which is less than 200 Real. Also, they are excellent choice for sports, entertainment, and their comfortable design are great, especially for travel, video editing, and gaming. Don't forget, you can find Amazon website link down below in the video description. If you're interested in laptop reviews, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.